As you can see, my little chickies have grown out of their bowl, out of their weighing bowl, and I've kept track of their weight, and I've made a growth curve. And I'm going to show you how. So every single day since I started weighing them, I've weighed them, and I've written down their weight right there. As you can see, I'm doing over there. Right here, you need a Microsoft Excel sheet, and as you can see here on the second row, I've put down their names: Albert, Torchic, Shiny, and Corn. And on the first one, I put down the name Chicky 1 month growth curve in grams. Then on column 1, I put down the date, how old they are, and then I've put down all their weight in grams right there over there, everywhere. And then Shiny over there. For example, Shiny on day 30 is 373.5 grams. First step in doing the Excel sheet is selecting all of your information, including the names and date, because they recognize that those as variables, so they put it in the sheet. And then you've got to go up to insert, and then you've got to find the lines, the chart area, and then you've got to select your chart. So the chart that I'm using is the line chart, and I'm looking for one right now, and I like that one the most, so I'll select it. So the y-axis and the x-axis, the y-axis is the weight in grams, and the x-axis is the day. And as you can see, Albert is the blue line, Torchic is the orange line, and Shiny is the gray line, and Corn is the yellow line. Right here, as you can see, Albert was weighed the most, but then Shiny, the gray line, surpassed Albert a little on day 15, and then he's kept a good margin to this day. And then there's Corn. He was the lightest, but then on day 15, he also he started battling with Torchic. They started going up, down, fighting over. And then right now, Corn's a little over Torchic, but you can still see he's over. And then on day 6, they lost a little weight because we switched out their feeder, and you'll see that in one of our previous videos. And right now, they overall are 10 times more than their original weight, which will estimate at 35 grams. Right now, they like to play around, jump around on top of their brooder and their lack. Dirty. That lives outside. This place is too small for me.